Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jeremy from Double J Farms Homestead. Going to try to get a little video of them baling the hay this afternoon. Got all of the hay down over at Lynn's, and it's good and dry. This will be probably the last baling until next spring. But we've been thankful for everything we've been able to put up this year, and hope we have enough to get us through. We just are trusting in the Lord to look after us, look after the cattle, and give us strength to do everything. Lynn and the boys, they got everything going. So I appreciate them. I appreciate the Lord giving us this life together. And so hopefully we'll be able to get a little baling footage this afternoon. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. This will be the third cutting off of this field. This is over Lynn's family's farm, and this is the third cutting this year. And these windrows are several put together, but we're still thankful for all this. And this hay's got a good smell to it. I told Lynn, I said, I can't do anything else, but I can ride over and at least check it and to smell it. There's nothing like that hay smell, and I love that smell. If you've ever smelled it, you know what I'm talking about. There's a good smell and there's a bad smell, but this right here has not been rained on, and it's got a good smell, got a good color. So hopefully before long they'll have this stuff in a bale, and we'll try to get some footage of them baling. I have Lynn's daddy's 5085E John Deere with a John Deere round baler, and so no bad luck, we'll have some footage of that. I do appreciate all y'all tuning in. I appreciate the new subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you like and share my videos, I would appreciate it. The boys appreciate it on their channel as well, and their channel is The Moors Outdoors, and so we're kind of doing this thing together, but trying to encourage folks, and trying to be a blessing, and I hope we are. So I appreciate you watching. Got more coming up on this video, so just keep watching, and hopefully we'll get to seeing some being put in a bale. Got the 5085E going with the John Deere baler behind him, and getting it put in a bale. Ever since I was a little boy, I've loved watching them bale hay, and I'm 48 years old, and I still love watching them bale hay. I don't know, it's something I always just loved, and I still love it. He's fixing to drop a bale, I do believe. There it comes. There's just something about farming, I can't explain it. I guess it's either in you or it's not, but I sure do love it. That 458 baler really does a good job. And a good baler. See, got 2 bales already. 3 more little patches to go after we get done here, and then they'll have all of it baled. It sure does smell good. patch, he'll be done. The lens stuff. Good running track from Baylor. Y'all could smell this. Y'all, I do hope you've enjoyed this video. I do appreciate you watching. Like I say, if you haven't liked and subscribed, we appreciate if you do it. And hope you have a good day and good week. And we appreciate all of it.